In front of me I've got BYD SEAL 2. In this video I'll show you 10 best BYD commands you can use. Firstly, let's go to BYD Assistant. Now go to Voice Skills. Here we can learn a bunch of useful voice assistant commands, but let's focus on best ones. In the beginning, let's go to vehicle control. I would say every command here is useful. For example, you can control AC, purification, seats, ambient light, windows, and more. But let's focus on the best. You can quickly open and close sunshade, simply by saying these commands. Next, you can do the same thing with the roof, but also you can close sunroof and open sunroof to halfway, for example. Next, you can open windows remotely. Also close them. Let's skip ambient light and go to control seats. Thanks to these commands, you can enable seat heating, seat ventilation for driver and passenger. And next, let's go to AC. Thanks to quick command, you can turn on AC and adjust temperature of the climate control. Let's go to system operations. Thanks to quick command, you can turn up volume and turn it down. You can quickly make the screen brighter by the simple command. And now in the end, let's skip to map. This is fun command, thanks to which the navigation will automatically direct you to restaurant. And of course, go home and go work commands are very useful. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.